delicious coffee. Thank you. Jule tashi dilek. Sangmagi favorite YouTuber Palden Raja. Diringi nyimade ya. Namshi kipo ji chalong go zu song. En sangmalo dewa da kipo ye rewa ye. Ta diring tour kusho de zogi zerim. Sedona la nyima tangbo do re kirgor ki. En dilang azo thandi chaga do re. En mixe gi ngazo kirgor shangsa gam do jora. Odi pe dum dewa da ne le lao do se sha re. En jama ya tu li ngenda dal phengi ro la. Taya ke je ker do da YouTuber. Oh ya ne diring nyima da khandi do do chikta ora cha chala. Idea yo mar da khari khari chedu ye. En ngazo laga chen rokba do pe indo ko yore. En mixe ngazo di kirgor shangsa jinda yora. Center khaji. Khoram pe khoram pod na khala ora amani pe khayang mo do che ne indo ko dora. En kiwo yang sa re ni mani shu de wa laga che di. En cha cha tu ko ra. En sang mo lo. To yong re wa ye
Your wisdom with us. Very grateful. We can put our glasses together here for a moment.
Okay.
Oh, look at how dark that one is. Oh, you got the good one.
Thank you. Entina. Okay.
Look at how dark that one is. It's like you're wrong.
Cheers. Thank you.
Yes.
Now? Okay. Drink. Now drink. Ale, shimbo peses. It's strong and delicious. Yummy. La, put that. La,
That was meant to be.
대신도 세마 얘기 도시다. 어디 있어? 인지민 가리나 따따야지. I show this one, yeah.
Yeah, sure.
What is this fruit name?
It's the fruit from the cactus
Cactus. Yeah,
from
디카지리시.
last year.
Wow, thank you. Nima tangbo shala pe ab khele da de je sabji ni do paneer do sing do pe shimbo khele sha jinda da ki de do ken tu nyo yong sa de sa ya do ki jinda khele ni. Hello.
I'm Athena.
Antina, how are you?
Doing great. Happy to have you, all of you here.
Dilang anzo nyingom chu ni wala meditation ki thandi re. Ta thandi thangma charso khandi re sta thandi thi. Kubya bingin je wodu da da. Sagal de go da chige do samsam. Kubya pura thandi che sai. Do music pe nyamo tangsha. Khazan khoso dila tara dance tapsora. Tara dance pe ninja wo tapso. Pe ki uchon so and the numbers of like ibo yong rewa ye chikte ngo samso. Demo sawa da shala nyapa ji thandi cheshi. Data the color condition. Wow, nice spoon.
Sonia, I think we're going to need help with
Yes,
bringing
it's why I'm here.
Thank you.
No way. If you want to achieve happiness, I have to overcome my suffering. While I'm still suffering and wishing for happiness, it's kind of difficult. So that's why if you wish and practice to help yourself and others to overcome from suffering, then
Kirko ki thandi khari kirko lu yar kyo. December ki kirko.
We can all do it.
Koza chetu ge shash.
I cannot do.
I think she do, but if she will be one
Thanga
day,
ta yar da dinyala.
I am professional.
Dinyala thanga ta ro.
Just touch me.
Anthony, just push the
Wow,
rock
it's so
forward so
dirty
you will have
up here,
space.
Sonia.
But it's a good time to clean it.
I'm not professional.
Tala thanga thandi chere sha kirko ki.
You're a monk. No, I'm just kidding.
Zerim sumba tham meditation de sarson ra. En gondang ado de la chapri chere. En ngazo jinda amadi mendo se keba shu de ta mendo khande nyin je wo se kunjo. De mendo khande se shi. Mendo pe abo se do. En gondang ado chapri yore en pa ta lu de thandi che chere. En thandi khala kanjam sa so. En dila de projector dila khwanan de chapra dan de tayala direnga zo chazangi kupar ten sha sha bogu chinjin de khani de da en du sanga zo kupja sangma diksa re sading meditation chera en di zerim de chare en khale gal tu mare dish Sonia ngazo jinda our small monks I will show you. I will show my monastery. Really? Wow. Coffee maker. Delicious coffee. What do you make?
It's cappuccino for Erica.
Wow.
And tonight I'm gonna make you cacao so you can sleep like a baby.
Prayer though.
After my prayer,
And then you bless it.
Erica.
Because maybe you will not make it. Beautiful. Oh, thank you
Everyone.
so much.
Oh, everyone happy, 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 happy.
Happy because you're here. All
Thank you.
guys are here.
Super happy. Wow.
Yeah, it's gonna be
It's happening.
Thank you.
oh, hi, what's happening here? Yeah,
Tan tan di. Adi ngazo kirkor shangsa re sanyi nima. Chonga tuzido dila tuzide sringbo rodo. Andi ngazo kirkor shangsa khande thandi cheshta da. Tasa dingi table de tengo samsa ya ma doni busy chani tenga rama sonje ma inda. Table pe dum dewo yorda. Ani kirkor sangma shangsa sonene table de chilo kini doya yor tasa jila. To chilo kawa kena. Table 양무지 키르데오 빼스여샤레 엔딜라 도지 삼베기 탕하다네 깨문진 탕하 담샤샤 엔 기말로 고조기 디 최심 간디아우다 길고 상서 춘중 시강로 빼기우드다 디 길고로 춘 간디 마무고도 전부라 담야레 상이 다 디링아서 길고기 디레 제고도요 오프닝 세레머니 The chunjun da dil shonsa maranga zo dinalo che and mi mambu shulegi re opening ceremony ra and di to desa se je khandi kipto ho se kupya de ting chilola sajepe ki ud da sender di mingla Sedonia de duk se table da kupya de ting sha da mi de ya la and diwal khambu pe mamusaja yujum pe kibudo angazo zerimni wa de dendere and tiri nima ringbo shuchun stangazo shogi chuze gewas ningazo lemba 다 gonda chude gewa gowa badu zerim yore robodu tangchen sa 직등 말에 간차시 dish
It's a joke, maybe it will become serious. Like this Sedona Valley is like a spiritual mecca where you get all the divine energy. I think nowadays maybe is a time that we really can filter that and focus more deeper into to do the transformations. Sattva. So that means when we create this, it's to highlight that everyone has the equal opportunity to purify negativities and also to equal opportunity to achieve realization. That's why we call everyone has the Buddha nature. Everyone has a Buddha nature. Why we cannot see this true Buddha nature?
방sem다 세나라 제 메토니 tour ki kusho ki YouTube la like share subscribe na ro na